Assalamu alaikum. Students of second year, welcome to Cambridge International Science College, Dalagang. Gentlemen, as I have already delivered you lecture, today our sixth lecture is in progress. We are going to solve our exercise. In the previous lecture, we attempted 5 questions. I hope definitely you or people have prepared the exercise. Now I am going to solve the question number 6. First of all, I read out the question number 6. Write a note on the beginning of life on the earth. जिंदगी हमारी जमीन पे कैसे शुरू हुई? राइटर कहते हैं जी इस पे एक नोट लिखें. उम्मीद है कि आप अपनी किताबें कापियां सब कुछ तैयार करके बैठे होंगे. अब बिस्मिल्लाह कीजिए. इनिशियली INITIN इब्तदाई तौर पर शुरू में इनिशियली the earth was very hot. Initially the earth was very hot. By and by, ये आपके फ्रेजल वर्ब में आ जाता है वक्त के साथ साथ. By and by it cooled down, having a moderate temperature. Having a moderate temperature suitable for life. Also, according to the writer, life started in simple organisms. According to the writer, life started in a simple organism. That could, ये ऑर्गेनिज्म इसको कर लीजिएगा. इन सिंपल ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट कुड मल्टीप्लाई, बढ़ जाना. दैट कुड मल्टीप्लाई themselves before dying. That could multiply before dying. Full stop. The life produced complex organisms. Then life produced complex organisms. First up, finally human beings were produced. Finally, human beings were produced. दोबारा देखें, initially the life earth was initially the earth was very hot. By and by it cooled down, comma, having a moderate temperature, suitable for life. Full stop. According to the writer, life started in simple organisms that could multiply before dying, that could multiply themselves before dying. Full stop. Then life produced complex organisms. Full stop. Finally, human beings were produced. क्लियर हो गया जी? क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे आ जाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है, वाई इज द यूनिवर्स of which our earth is a part so frightening? नहीं, हमारी ये जो कायनात है, जिसका हमारी ये जो छोटा सा टुकड़ा है जमीन का, वो एक हिस्सा है, कहता है ये क्यों खौफजदा कर देने वाली है? गिव मैनी रीजन, एज मैनी रीजन एज यू कैन। तो चूंकि सवाल जो है वो एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तैयार करना होता है, तो इसलिए मुनासिब सा मॉडरेट सा जवाब जो है वो लिखा जाता है। तो लिखिए जी क्वेश्चन का आंसर। आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, when humans try to probe into the universe, probe into कुरेदना, when humans try to probe into the universe, comma, they find it frightening. They find it frightening. Full stop. The universe is frightening The universe is frightening because it has great distances. वसी फासले, because it has great distances which we cannot measure, जिन्हें हम माप नहीं सकते, which we cannot measure. First of all, human history is very small. Human history is very small, but the stretches of time, but the stretches of time in the universe are quite great or very great. The universe is frightening. The universe is frightening because of our loneliness. L-O-N-I L-I-N-E-S-S, loneliness. L-O-N-E-L-I-N-E-S-S, L-O-N-E-L-I-N-E, loneliness. And littleness. Loneliness and littleness in space. Moreover, life, our own, exist. E-X-I-S-T-S, exist. Moreover, life, our own, exists. Nowhere in it except on the earth. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 को एक दफा फिर देख लें. When humans try to probe into the universe, they find it frightening. The universe is frightening because it has great distances. Which we cannot be. Which we cannot be. Full stop. Human history is very small. Human history is very small, but the stretches of time in the universe, but the stretches of time in the universe are very great. Full stop. The universe is frightening. The universe is frightening because of our loneliness and littleness in space. Full stop. Moreover, life, our own, exists. Nowhere in it except on the earth. Next is the question number 8. What, in your opinion, should be the conditions necessary for the kind of life we know to exist on other heavenly body? Do such conditions generally exist? कहता है आपकी ओपिनियन में, आपकी राय में, व्हाट इन योर ओपिनियन शुड बी द कंडीशंस नेसेसरी फॉर द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ, यानी जिस किस्म की जिंदगी हम गुजार रहे हैं, दूसरी जो एवरल बॉडीज हैं उन पे गुजारने के लिए किस किस्म की जो कंडीशंस हैं, जो शराइत हैं, खुसूसियात है, उनकी जरूरत है। डू सच कंडीशन जनरली एग्जिस्ट? और फिर क्या इस किस्म की जो कंडीशंस हैं, हालात हैं, वो वजूद रखते हैं, मौजूद हैं? ये क्वेश्चन है आपका, आंसर पाइए। लाइफ कैन एग्जिस्ट on other heavenly bodies. Life can exist on other heavenly bodies, but there is condition. If condition क्या है? There is a moderate temperature, but if there is a moderate temperature, मुतदल, ना ज्यादा गर्मी ना ज्यादा सर्दी, मॉडरेट कहा जाता है, मुतदल, at which things can exist in a liquid state, in which things can exist in a liquid state, full stop. Extreme hot or cold, शदीद सर्दी और शदीद गर्मी। Extreme hot or cold is harmful for life. Is harmful for life. बहुत ज्यादा जो सर्दी और गर्मी है, इस किस्म की सूरत में कहता है वो जिंदगी के लिए जरूर रसा है, नुकसानदेह है। Full stop. Such conditions do not generally exist. Such conditions do not generally exist. Full stop. If we go near the stars, if we go near the stars, life will burn. Life will burn. विकास, वजह क्या होगी? विकास दे आर, यानी सितारे हैं, स्टार्स, बिकॉज दे आर बिग बॉल्स ऑफ फायर. फुल स्टॉप. If we go away from them, if we go away from them, there is much cold. There is much cold that life will flow. that life will be frozen. देख लीजिए जी, ओके, देखिए इसको दोबारा. Life can exist on other heavenly bodies if there is a moderate temperature at which things can exist in a liquid state. Full stop. Extreme hot or cold is harmful for life. Full stop. Such conditions do not generally exist on stars या heavenly bodies. Full stop. If we go near the stars, comma, life will burn because they are big balls of fire. If we go away from them, there is much cold that life will be frozen. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 6 अपने इख्तिताम को पहुंचा. कल इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट कमिंग लेक्चर में हमारा जो है वो होगा चैप्टर नंबर 2, द साइंटिफिक मेथड. कोशिश कीजिए कि आपने डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स जो उनको पहले लिख के रखें ताकि आपको साथ सिनोनिम और उनकी मीनिंग्स बता के हम साथ साथ चलते जाएं. और कोशिश होगी कि साथ 5 जो फ्रेजल वर्ब है वो भी आपको करवाऊं, तो इसलिए कोशिश करें साथ मिलने की. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मिलेंगे जी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.